Come on, Lee.
Mother, Flick is up to something.
Get him off me! He's cutting off the circulation of my blood. No!
Please don't go!
Put the stick down. Think I mean it now. Drop the stick. Drop it.
Boy, he runs fast for a little guy.
This way. There they are. Apart! Stop! My baby!
I got you! I got you! I got you!
I can't see!
Somebody do something!
Are they all right? Can anyone see? Are they alive?
I can't see!
What is happening?
Doc?
Good heavens, they're in trouble!
Pretzels!
Yes, I've got an idea.
Here, I got it!
Wake up! Wake up!
Mr. Early Bird! How about a nice tasty roll on a stick? I'm going to snap. I'm going to snap. There they are! Okay, Doc. Bye-bye, Birdie! I'm stuck! Put it out! Snap!
The caterpillar's using himself as live bait!
How brave! Look at that bird! Ow! My leg!
The bird! What is that?
That, my friends, is the sound of applause!